Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit perfect skin preset using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.29. Contrast to +16. Highlights to +29. Shadows to +20. Whites to +34. Blacks to -13. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Tint to +3. Go to color mix. First go to yellow. Hue to -19. Saturation to -24. Next go to light blue. Saturation to -3. Go to dark blue. Saturation to -58. Luminance to +26. And done. Next go to Effect panel. To Ace to +44. Grain to 18. Size to 1. Done. Next go to Detail panel. Sharpening to 17. Noise reduction to 12. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.